welcome aboard. It's time to go. The color train is rolling slow. Chug-a-chug and choo-choo bright. We'll learn our colors left and right. Let's start the journey. Hold on tight. Here comes a color, shining bright. Look ahead. What do you see? A big red stop sign smiling at me. Red is the color of apples and fire, and racing cars that go much faster. Say it with me, loud and clear. Red, red, red is here. Red, red, red so bright, shining like a stoplight. The color train goes rolling on, past yellow suns that smile at dawn. Yellow is happy, warm and fun, like bananas in the shining sun. Say it with me, let's all say, yellow, hip hip hooray. Yellow, yellow, warm and bright, filling up the sky with light. Whoosh, the train goes through the trees, green leaves dancing in the breeze. Green is grass and frogs that hop, and growing plants that never stop. Say it loud, say it proud. Green, green, green out loud. Green, green, all around, nature's favorite color found. Now we see a blue, blue lake, where little fish wiggle and shake. Blue is water, blue is sky, and big soft clouds floating by. Say it with me, 1, 2, 3, blue, blue, like the sea. Blue, blue, cool and true, so many lovely shades of blue. The color train goes choo-choo through a field of purple just for you. Purple grapes and butterflies, and twinkly stars up in the skies. Say it loud, don't be late. Purple, purple, so great. Purple, purple, soft and sweet, a royal color, can't be beat. Oh look now, what's that hue? A bright orange waving at you. Orange pumpkins, orange juice, and silly monkeys on the loose. Say it with me, loud and right. Orange, orange, full of light. Orange, orange, bold and fun, shining like the rising sun. Let's go back and sing once more all the colors we adore. Red and yellow, green and blue, purple, orange, we love you. Say them fast, say them slow. Now you know the colors. Go, go, go. The color train is slowing down, rolling into Learning Town. You did great, you did well. Now you know your colors well. Thanks for riding. Come again. The color train will bring new friends. Chug-a-chug and choo-choo tight. We'll learn again next time. Goodbye.